Hello, my friend. I'm so happy you're here with me today. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin this gentle practice together. Learning numbers, telling the time, and saying dates in English can feel a little challenging at first, but we will do this slowly and calmly, one small step at a time. In this video, we will go on a journey together. You will listen and repeat simple numbers, then practice saying the time like, "It's 3 o'clock," and also practice the days of the week, months of the year, and dates like the 1st of January. Every part is very important in everyday English, and you will see that as we practice slowly together, it will become easier and easier. I want you to feel comfortable, so please remember that this is your safe space. There is no need to rush or worry about mistakes. Making mistakes is a natural part of learning, and you are doing a wonderful job just by trying. As you listen, you can shadow my voice. That means repeat after me, like an echo. Don't worry if you need to pause or go back and listen again. Take your time, be kind to yourself, and let's enjoy this process together. When you practice every day, you will feel more confident and speak more naturally. Learning these basics will help you when you talk about your schedule, ask what time it is, plan meetings, or simply chat with friends. So, thank you for joining me today. Let's take a gentle breath and begin this practice together. Numbers 1 to 20. Now let's begin with numbers. Numbers are everywhere in English. We use them to count, to tell time, to give phone numbers, prices, and so much more. Don't worry if they seem a little difficult at first. Just listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's go slowly, one number at a time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Let's do that one more time together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great work. Let's continue with 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's repeat these one more time. Remember to take your time. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very nice. You're doing so well. Learning numbers is like learning the building blocks of language. Once you know them, you can do so many things. Tell the time, say your age, shop in a store, or plan your day. Keep practicing saying these numbers clearly and gently every day. Repeat them a few times in a calm voice, and you'll see that they become more natural every time. You did a wonderful job. Let's keep going together. Telling the time, hours. You've practiced numbers up to 100, and that's wonderful. Now let's use those numbers to talk about the time, starting with the hours. Being able to tell the time is very important in everyday life. When we say the time in English, we usually use the 12-hour clock. Let's practice telling the hours one by one. First, listen and repeat after me. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Very good. Let's do that one more time together, slowly and clearly. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Great job. When we say o'clock, we mean the exact hour, like it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon or it's 8 o'clock at night. In everyday speech, we usually drop o'clock when we add minutes, and we'll practice that in the next chapter. For now, it's enough to practice these hours slowly until they sound natural. Every time you look at a clock, you can say the hour out loud. Even if you look at your phone, try saying the time as you see it. Keep repeating these hours every day, and you'll notice they become easier and easier. With this gentle practice, telling the time will feel very comfortable for you. You're doing so well. Let's take a breath, and then we'll continue practicing together in the next chapter. Telling the time, minutes, and phrases. You have already practiced the hours. Wonderful work. Now let's move on to telling the time with minutes. Time can feel a little tricky at first, but with practice, it will become very natural. When we add minutes to the hour, we simply say the hour, followed by the minutes. Let's look at a few examples together. Repeat after me. It's 5 past 1. It's 10 past 1. It's 15 past 1. It's 20 past 1. It's 25 past 1. It's half past 1. Very good. Let's repeat those again to feel more comfortable. It's 5 past 1. It's 10 past 1. It's 15 past 1. It's 20 past 1. It's 25 past 1. It's half past 1. You can also say quarter past 1 instead of 15 past 1. Both mean the same thing. Let's practice that too. It's quarter past 1. And when we go toward the next hour, we can say 2. Let's practice those. It's 20 to 2. It's 15 to 2 or quarter to 2. It's 10 to 2. It's 5 to 2. Great work. Let's do that one more time together. It's 20 to 2. It's quarter to 2. It's 10 to 2. It's 5 to 2. You can hear that past is for minutes after the hour, and 2 is for minutes before the next hour. With gentle practice every day, this will begin to sound very natural to you. Next time you look at a clock, try saying the time out loud. Start slowly. It's 5 past 3, or it's quarter to 6. The more you practice, the more confident you will feel. You're making lovely progress. Let's take a gentle breath and continue together into the next chapter, where we'll practice days of the week. Days of the week. You have been doing so well practicing the time. Now let's move on to the days of the week. Days of the week help us talk about our routines and our plans. Let's say them together slowly, one by one. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Very good. Let's do that again. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Excellent work. Each day is special in its own way. Monday is the first day of the work week for many people. Wednesday is often called the middle of the week. Saturday and Sunday make up the weekend, when many people rest or spend time with family. When you talk about your schedule, you can use these days in simple sentences like I go to school on Monday, or I will visit my friend on Friday, or I like to relax on Sunday. Try repeating those simple sentences after me. I go to school on Monday. I will visit my friend on Friday. I like to relax on Sunday. You can practice making your own sentences too. Every time you plan your day, try saying it in English, like today is Tuesday or tomorrow is Wednesday. With gentle practice every day, you will remember all 7 days easily. Keep going. You're making wonderful progress. Let's take a gentle breath and then continue together into the next chapter, where we'll practice months of the year. Months of the year. You've practiced the days of the week. Very well done. Now let's move on to the months of the year. Months help us talk about birthdays, holidays, and special events. Let's practice saying them one by one. Repeat after me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. That's all 12 months. Wonderful work. Let's do that one more time together, slowly and clearly. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Great job. Each month has its own season and special days. You can practice using them in simple sentences like, my birthday is in July, or I like the weather in October, or we go on vacation in August. Repeat after me. My birthday is in July. I like the weather in October. We go on vacation in August. Very nice. When you plan your year or talk about holidays, you will often say the months. Don't worry if you forget one. Just practice saying them every day. Look at a calendar, read the months out loud, and slowly you'll remember them all. You're learning so well. I'm so proud of you. Let's take a gentle breath together. Next, we'll practice something very useful. Dates and ordinal numbers. Dates and ordinal numbers. You have practiced the months. Very good. Now let's look at dates and ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers help us talk about dates like the 1st of January, the 2nd of February, and so on. Let's practice them one by one, slowly and clearly. Repeat after me. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Very good. Let's do that again together. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Great work. And we can go on up to 31st. For example, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, and after 20th, we have 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st. Very nice. When we say dates, we often use these ordinal numbers. For example, my birthday is on the 7th of March. We have a meeting on the 22nd of June. Christmas is on the 25th of December. Repeat after me. My birthday is on the 7th of March. We have a meeting on the 22nd of June. Christmas is on the 25th of December. That's wonderful practice. Keep repeating these dates slowly every day. The more you practice them, the more natural they will feel. You are doing a fantastic job. Let's take a gentle breath together. In the next chapter, we'll look back at what we've learned and give you some encouragement for daily practice. You have practiced so much together with me today. Numbers, telling the time, the days of the week, the months of the year, and dates with ordinal numbers. You should feel very proud of yourself. Every time you listen and repeat, you grow more confident. Remember, learning a new language is like learning to play a musical instrument. It takes gentle, steady practice. Every small step you take matters. If some parts felt difficult, that's okay. That's how we learn. You can listen to this lesson as many times as you like, repeating the numbers, times, days, months, and dates slowly, one by one. Practicing even for a few minutes every day will help you improve more than you may expect. When you practice shadowing, repeating the words after me, you train your mouth and ears together. That will help you sound more natural when you speak English in real life. Keep going, keep repeating, and be kind to yourself. You are making progress every day. Thank you for sharing this time with me. I encourage you to continue your practice. Soon, telling the time and saying dates will feel simple and natural. You did a wonderful job today. Remember to practice every day, and most of all, enjoy the process. I believe in you. You can do this.